Hi there. Today, we will be talking about congruent triangles. What could that mean? The first thing that may come to your mind is to break congruent triangles down into congruent and triangles. We know that triangles are three-sided polygons, right? Two objects are said to be congruent if they are of the same shape and size. For example, two cookies in a pack of Oreos are exactly the same. You could think of many other pairs of things around you that are exactly the same in shape and size. Each of those pairs is said to be congruent. How do you confirm two objects are congruent? We superimpose them. What does that mean? We place them on top of each other. That is the same way we find out if two triangles are congruent. We try to superimpose them by any means possible, without changing the triangles involved. This can include flipping, rotating, or shifting. If they do not overlap after doing any or all of these, they are not congruent. However, you can't stretch, squeeze, or change the length of any of the sides of the triangles, because that way you will be changing the triangles you are trying to superimpose. Two triangles are congruent if they have the same size. That is, both triangles have corresponding sides of the same length. If they have the same size, they are congruent. This means when we say triangles ABC and triangles PQR are congruent, angle A and angle P are equal, angle B and angle Q are equal, angle C and angle R are equal. We say angle A and P are congruent, angle B and Q are congruent, and angle C and R are congruent. Similarly, lines AB and PQ have the same length, lines BC and QR have the same length, and lines AC and PR have the same length. In this case, we say AB is congruent to PQ, BC is congruent to QR, and AC is congruent to PR. So the first way we find out if two triangles are congruent is by checking if the sides of both triangles are congruent. We call this SSS, short for side, side, side. Once you can show that the sides are equal, it means corresponding angles are also equal. There are other ways to check that two given triangles are congruent. I hope you got that. Two triangles are congruent if they have the same sides. Starting from next lesson, we examine other ways of proving the congruence of two triangles. Thank you, and see you in our next lesson.